Ingredients: mutton pieces, okra cut into 2-inch pieces, diced onion, crushed tomatoes, minced garlic, chopped coriander leaves, tomato paste, allspice powder, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder, salt, olive oil, vegetable oil. The process: let's place our mutton in a saucepan and add some water. There we go. We're gonna mix it around, and then we're gonna add some salt, allspice powder, black pepper powder, and cinnamon powder. And then we're gonna just stir it and place the whole thing on high heat until we have that. And then we're gonna skim the impurities. Let's let the meat boil until it becomes tender. Next, we're gonna take the meat out and reserve the stock for later. Let's get some vegetable oil on medium heat. And we're gonna add the okra. Mix it up, and we're gonna fry it up for a minute. There we go. Beautiful. Let's add some salt. Saute it again for about 4 or 5 minutes. There we are. And let's take it out into a bowl. We're gonna take our diced onion into the same pan, and we're gonna fry it for a few minutes. Let's add the tomato paste, roast it for another 2 minutes. And in case you haven't picked it up yet, I'm usually blind reacting to these videos, which I don't know if that's a good thing. Alright, let's add in our crushed tomatoes and continue cooking for 3 minutes. Just swish it around. There we go. Beautiful. Let's add in the cooked mutton pieces and fry it around for about 2 minutes. Amazing. And let's add the reserved stock that we had before. And we're gonna deglaze the pan and I guess glaze up the meat. Let's add some water. Bring down that thickness. We're gonna stir it around so that it's not burning. Let's get the cooked okra. Add that in there. Wow. And we're gonna boil it in a low flame. And we're gonna let it simmer covered for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's get another pan and heat some olive oil on medium heat and add some garlic. We're gonna stir that for a minute. Yep. Let's add the coriander leaves and fry for about a minute. Oh, that's gonna be a really great topping. Which is exactly what's happening here. There it is. Let's add the garlic and coriander leaves to Bamya. Spread that evenly. Oh, that looks delicious. Let's cover and let it simmer for another 3 or 4 minutes. And Bamya is ready. Enjoy. And until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.